I thought, I will take what he did to me to the grave.
He looked loving, not knowing that behind that was a sadist, a psychopath. You have no idea of what I went through.
A lot of women were being abused by this man. I had no idea. I thought I was the only one.
You thought you were in the safest place in the world and you were in the most dangerous.
I didn't know that thing had happened to anybody else.
These are children of 16, 17 years. He kept all of us in slavery. Total, absolute slavery.
Do you know how many allegations, how many priests, how many bishops, how many reverend fathers that have been accused of these kinds of things? It is not just this man, them plenty. But after all these accusations and victims coming out to come and say what they are doing to them, you're going to